Today I'm sharing a dish that's my favorite comfort food from Indian culture, yellow moong dal khichdi, along with a modern addition of baked cod. In India, khichdi is more than just a meal, it's often the first solid food given to babies and the first meal served to those recovering from illness because it's so easy to digest. Historically, it represents India's reliance on locally available resources like basmati rice and mung beans, which have been staples in South Asian agriculture for millennia. By adding baked cod, we combine the traditional Indian staple with modern protein requirements. Let's look at the science behind the plate. This meal is full of different macromolecules. Proteins. In biology, proteins are made of amino acids, while animal products are usually complete in proteins. Plant sources often lack certain essential amino acids. Rice is low in the amino acid lysine, but high in methionine. Moong dal is the opposite, high in lysine but low in methionine. When you eat them together, they create a complete protein profile. This allows your body to effectively build and repair tissues, a process essential for growth. The cod fillet has high quality animal protein, which is easily broken down into peptides and amino acids during chemical digestion in the stomach and small intestine. Carbohydrates. Unlike simple sugars, these require more time for enzymes like salivary and pancreatic amylase to break down into glucose, providing a steady energy release. The yellow moong dal and peas are rich in fiber. Fiber is a carbohydrate that humans cannot fully digest, but it is crucial for cleaning the digestive tract and feeding healthy gut bacteria. Lipids and vitamins. Ghee is a source of saturated lipids. While often debated in this cultural context, it serves as a delivery vehicle for fat-soluble vitamins, such as A, D, E, and K. Furthermore, turmeric contains curcumin. Curcumin is hydrophobic, meaning it doesn't dissolve in water. By sauteing turmeric and ghee, you make the curcumin bioavailable, meaning your small intestine can actually absorb it into your bloodstream. This makes it easier for the macromolecules to transport themselves through your nervous system, letting you have a cleaner and healthier body according to the National Center of Complementary and Integrative Health. This dish is an important part of Indian agricultural history and household tradition. By soaking the dal in rice for 20 to 30 minutes, we aren't just cleaning them, we are actually already beginning the process of breaking down complex starches and phytic acid, making the nutrients more accessible to our digestive system. By heating ghee and adding cumin seeds, ginger, turmeric, we use science to enhance flavor and health. In Indian cuisine, spices are rarely added at the end. Instead, they are sauteed in fats to release essential oils and, as mentioned before, to make compounds like curcumin bioavailable. Even the use of hing, also known as asafoetida, is a traditional scientific application used for centuries in South Asia to reduce gas and aid in the digestion of legumes. According to the FAO and the National Institute of Nutrition, the base of the Indian diet should consist of cereals and legumes, eaten in sufficient quantity. My recipe follows this perfectly by using basmati rice and moong dal as its foundation. However, the guidelines also state that we should eat plenty of vegetables, recommending about 400 grams per day. While I include a handful of peas, my dish is currently lacking the liberal amount of leafy greens recommended by the second level of the pyramid. When we look at the animal source foods level, the guidelines suggest moderate consumption. By choosing a lean 100-gram cod fillet, I am following the scientific recommendations to obtain high quality protein without the high saturated fats found in red meats. Pros of this meal. It perfectly meets guideline 8, which suggests obtaining essential amino acids through an appropriate combination of foods, which we achieve by using rice, dal, and fish. Moreover, by using ghee in moderation and choosing cod, which is a lean fish, I'm following the advice to ensure moderate use of oils and minimize processed fats. Furthermore, the use of turmeric and ginger aligns with the culture and scientific emphasis on using foods to help with digestion. For the areas of improvement and cons, well, to truly meet the Indian daily recommended servings, I would need to add at least 2 more servings of vegetables. For example, like a side of sauteed spinach called palak or carrots. Also, while rich in protein and energy, this dish could be improved with a dairy component like yogurt to meet the dairy requirements, which is 300 milliliters a day, highlighted in the 2024 revised guidelines. In conclusion, this meal of yellow moong dal khichdi and baked cod combines ancient cultural wisdom and modern nutritional science. We have seen how the combination of rice and lentils solves the problem of incomplete proteins, and how cooking fats like ghee serve as essential delivery systems for vitamins. While the dish successfully aligns with the FAO and Indian National Institute of Nutrition guidelines regarding cereals, legumes, and lean protein, it also needs more leafy greens to meet modern vegetable requirements. Ultimately, healthy nutrition isn't just about counting calories, it's about understanding how our culture's local resources and traditional preparation methods, such as the usage of spices, can be used to create a balanced, digestible, and sustainable diet for the future.